Hi guys, I'm Brooke from Ebster, and today I'm going to be showing you a little bit more about our job board integration, specifically on CV Library. Now, we actually work with all the big job boards, and before I kind of dive in, I want to give you guys a reason as to why we came out with job board integrations. Obviously, you guys spend lots and lots of money on job boards. In recruitment, they're pretty much an arm. You can't do without them. The problem we found, though, is that there's lots of duplicates that are being made, and duplicate credits are being spent on the same candidates, for example. We've also noticed that you've got recruiters stepping on other people's toes because they're not sure whether someone's already dealing with someone or not, because obviously they're searching in CV Library and not, sticking in Bullhorn. You've also got to manually add these people from places like CV Library into Bullhorn, and it's a manual process. And on top of all of that, there's no audit trail. So, someone can jump into Bullhorn and add someone, and if there's no source filled in, you're kind of none the wiser as to where that candidate has come from, which is super important information. So let me jump in. So I've done a vague search here for someone in marketing. And we're going to go in here with Josh. What you can see, as soon as you hit the profile here on CV Library, this blue bar drops on top of the screen, and it's telling us that Bullhorn have run a background search and not found anyone in Bullhorn for Joshua Rocha. So now when I click on Ebster, what you'll see is that we very cleverly pull that information in straight from the job board. I can now click Save, Add as New, and I've just created a new candidate record right from CV Library back into Bullhorn. I can now go ahead and perform any of my Bullhorn activities, so I can add a note, I can add them to a tear sheet, I can even place them in a vacancy all right from CV Library. Again, this works with many job boards. If you are interested in perhaps taking a look at Ebster, please do sign up for a 2-week free trial below. I'll put a link below. Looking forward to speaking in more detail about Ebster and our job board integration. Thanks so much.